I am One Ladies Man. Name of my channel is One Ladies Man Cooking for Beginners. Today is Wednesday, 27 December 2023. I'm here in Montgomery County, Maryland. I'm over here by Silver Spring. I'm down here in Tacoma Park. I am in the Sligo Creek Trail. Right now I'm on a bridge that's going over Sligo Creek. Right now I'm at a little man-made waterfall. So enjoy. All those lights you see up yonder are houses. Houses lit at night. The street is nearby, so a car just went by. That shows you close proximity of the street. Up there, apartment buildings. Those people, I wonder if they realize they have an oasis up there. I wonder if they know. See right there, I'm pointing my camera directly at the street. So if a car comes around that corner, you're gonna be beaming. Headlights are gonna be beaming right at you. But listen to the water, the tranquil waters. It's good for thinking, good for contemplating, good for meditating. So with that said, let me shut up. Enjoy. I'm One Ladies Man. Find something to be thankful for, people. If you can hear this, be thankful to the man upstairs. Your ears work. Give thanks for that. One Ladies Man, over and out.